Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play NFS Unbound with friends. First, launch the game and navigate to the online multiplayer option from the main menu. This is your gateway to racing with others. Once there, you'll find a dedicated social hub where you can view your friends and manage your party. It's a straightforward process to get started and connect with your crew for some high-octane action. To invite friends, simply open the social menu within the online mode. You'll see a list of your online friends who are also playing. Select the friend you wish to invite, and an invitation will be sent directly to them. They can then accept this invite from their own game, instantly joining your session. This makes teaming up incredibly quick, letting you jump into races together without delay. Once connected with your friends, a world of activities awaits. You can dive into competitive races, challenging other players, or just each other across the city's diverse tracks. If you prefer a more relaxed experience, cruise around the open world in free roam, discovering secrets and enjoying the scenery. There are also cooperative challenges you can tackle, earning rewards and boosting your reputation as a united crew. For the best experience, ensure you have a stable internet connection. This minimizes lag and keeps your races smooth. Effective communication is key, so consider using voice chat to coordinate strategies during races or when exploring. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. These tips will help you and your friends enjoy countless hours of thrilling races and cooperative fun in Lakeshore City.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.